Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x8007371c in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix the issue if possible. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for this and I have shared the script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is click on the script and copy it. Then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this here and hit enter. This will fix your problem instantly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.